Introducing Feltworks acoustical panels. Feltworks provide a soft visual with excellent sound absorption and sustainability attributes, all in a budget-friendly 4x8 by 1-inch panel. There are multiple installation options for maximum design flexibility in offices, hospitality, and education. Combine this with 5 standard colors that coordinate with your finishes, plus a range of high NRC values to tame those noise levels. First, let's review screw attachment of Feltworks to metal or even wood furring. For framing, let's start with drywall grid, suspended from structure via the uptight clip. 7/8 or 1.5" hat channel can also be installed on 16-inch centers, running parallel to the length of the Feltworks panels. If your furring is running perpendicular to the length of the panels, install channels 26 inches on center or 20 inches on center in seismic installations. If your installation calls for discontinuous framing, the suspension should be cut 1 to 7 inches short of the desired panel edges to avoid visibility of the framing. There are many ways to cut Feltworks, including utility knives, longer blades for more control in penetrations, circular or table saws, or jigsaws. If you want to maximize your sound absorption with a furred-out installation but don't want to see any screws, install Feltworks with magnets. Magnet installation along the back of the Feltworks panels is 12 magnets in non-seismic and 15 in seismic areas. After marking your magnet locations, apply a small drop of Gorilla Glue prior to magnet attachment. Secure your magnet with number 8 by 1-inch drywall screws at each marked glue location. All Feltworks installations work best with 2 installers. Magnetically attach hat channel, drywall grid, or metal decking. Feltworks panels can also be installed directly to painted drywall. With a T-square or jig, mark off 8 9-inch by 9-inch squares for application of these approved adhesives. Use a notch trowel to apply the adhesive. Then, initially press the panel into place with sponge floats. It's important to use these sponge floats since they spread out the upward pressure and eliminate the possibility of surface indentations that can occur from finger pressure. Follow up with uniform pressure at all 8 locations and your installation is complete. Want to learn more? Visit armstrongceilings.com/Feltworks to easily retrofit your existing space or create a whole new quiet space.